I know you will understand this and feel the intrinsic incredible motion. You have just pulled over your head the warm sweater belonging to a boy. Now you haven't had a passionate kissing session or anything, but you got to go on a camping trip with him and 8 other people from school. And you practically slept together, your sleeping bed right next to his. And you woke in the night to watch him as he slept, but you couldn't see anything because it was dark, so you just lay there and listened to his breathing and wondered if your heart might burst. The sweater has that slightly goat-like smell which all teenage boys possess, and that smell lovingly transferred to all your other clothes. If you get to keep it for a few days, you can sleep with it, but not at your mom's because she'll say what's that filthy thing leaves it below besides the trash man. So you have to keep it under the covers with you. You can kind of lie it beside you and wrap it around your waist or touch it on your legs or whatever, that's your business. Now, if the sweater has like reindeer on it or it's a funny color like yellow, I'm sorry, you can't get away with a sweater like that. Look for brown or gray or blue. Anything other than that, and you know you're dealing with someone who's different. And different is not what you're looking for. You're looking for those teenage alpine ski chiseled features and that sort of blank look which passes for deep thought or at least enough from someone's home. You're looking for the boy of your dreams who is the same boy that is born in friends. Now, the sweater isn't going to fit you, of course. If you kind of roll up the sleeves in a jaunty way that says, this is the sweater belonging to a boy, and the boy is a genuine hunk of burning love, and this is not just some hand-me-down from your mother and your father. Monday, wear the sweater to school. Be calm and cute. Don't tell them dreaming about the place the two of you would share when you get older. Just be yourself. The best, cutest, quiet expression of yourself. Definitely like the best. He looks at you, and he looks away, and then he walks away, and the smell of the sweater hits you again suddenly like 8% Glorio, and you get a note passed to you by a girl in history that says he needs his sweater back, he forgot to put it on in tent on Saturday, and he's been looking for it. And you don't have to die of humiliation. You are a strong person, and this is a great experience. You can still hold your head up high as you run through the classroom carrying the stinking sweater from your body. You look at that sweater carefully, and you realize that love made you temporarily blind. You got a secret now, honey, and though you would never sink as low as him, you could blab it all over the school if you wanted. The label in that sweater said 100% correct.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hickman County High School Scarlet Winterguard from Centerville. Hickman County High School Scarlet Winterguard is in the direction of Kimberly Weaver. Staff includes Charles Gilbert, Connie McVeigh, Sarah Gilbert, and Christian McVeigh.